Am I overexposed? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I love my neutral colors. I don't tend to get out of my neutrals, my warm tones, my browns. But today I wanted to do something with brown, but do it differently. I still don't know how it's gonna come out, so I don't want to give you like expectations and then get something out of nothing. But yeah, but before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing this lovely face on your YouTube. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start with the face. For my primer, I'm gonna use the MAC Strobe cream just because I want the face to be more natural and glowy. And then I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty foundation in the shade 180W. Just apply a few dots on my face. I just cleaned all my brushes so they look very pretty, and I'm gonna use this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH12 and blend it out. Now I'm gonna take the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector in light to medium and just apply it in my under eyes just to cancel that darkness I have there, because it looks like I have not been sleeping enough, but I have. I'm so sad BECCA is going out of business. I just found this product and I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty concealer also in the shade 180W and apply it, just a few dots, and blend it out with a beauty blender. I also cleaned my sponges because they were dirty, especially this one. And then to set my under eyes, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. This has been one of my favorite powders lately. I'm just going to set it with this ColourPop F33 brush. I think it's a highlighting brush, but I just like to set my under eyes with it. Doesn't pick up a lot of product and kind of just feathers the powder there. Alright, for bronzer, I'm going to use the Cover Effects Monochromatic Bronzer Duo in Sunkissed Bronze. I'm going to take this Moda brush, it's the Moda Blush brush, and just take those two, the matte and shimmer, and apply it to my cheekbones. Very lightly, because this product is very pigmented, as you can see. So this week I'm planning to film a haul and also using products I bought during the Sephora sale, and some things arrived today. I'm just waiting for another order, but that one should be arriving tomorrow, it says. So hopefully the next video you see after this one is the Sephora haul and try on. I don't know. A lot of you asked for it, so I'm gonna give it to you. Okay, next I'm gonna go with a new product I just bought today. It's by MAC. It's the cream color base in the shade Pearl. Of course, we all know I buy everything Julia Adams says, and she says she really liked this product. I think she just tried it in one of her new videos, and me as a crazy person and impulsive, an Aries, one might say, went and bought it. I want to try it out for myself. It's been a while since I bought like face products from MAC, and apparently they've come out with good stuff. So I'm just gonna take it, apply it with my Moda Pro Glow brush. I'm gonna take some of that, just apply to the high points. It looks very natural on the skin. I'm actually gonna apply it with a finger and see we get more pigment in there. Not pigment, but more, a little bit more glow. Wow! This is what I like, more of a natural glow instead of a super pigmented, shimmery, glittery product. This is nice. Just gonna press it in with my beauty blender. It looks beautiful on the skin. Looks very natural. Love it. Alright, for blush, this is another thing I bought today at MAC. It's their Glow Play blush in the shade So Natural. This one I have been wanting to try for a long time, but every time I went to MAC they didn't have it, so today I was lucky enough to find it. I'm just gonna apply it using this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the JH04. Take some like this. Looks like a very natural blush. This is so pretty. I've came to the realization that I'm obsessed with blush, and you're gonna see that in the next video. Just saying, just saying. I love blush, and I don't think I have this kind of shade in my collection. It looks very natural. This is what I like. Can you see that? I don't know if I'm overexposed. I have 3 lights now surrounding me, and I don't know if you can see this shade, but it's very, very pretty. I'm gonna apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose. It looks beautiful on the skin. Oh my god, I forgot that MAC has really good products. This is nice. This is nice. All right, so eyebrows I'm gonna do off camera, but I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Soap Brow, and to fill them in I'm gonna use the ANASTASIA Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. Alright, so I did this eye off camera, and let's see if I can make it happen in this eye. I'm not great at graphic eyeliner. I think it looks okay. I don't know. Let's see how it goes with this eye. So I already primed my eyes. I use a Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Amplifying Eye Primer. So for this look, I only used the Makeup by Mario Master Matte Shadow. And I'm gonna take this shade, which is Matte 4. This is gonna be our transition color, and just applying it to my crease. This is just gonna be like a wash of color, and again, you know my technique, I like to go straight instead of following my literal eyeball. I just go straight so I can elongate more my eyes and give it that almond eye look. So I'm gonna apply it in the outer corner and pull it out. I'm gonna bring it in a bit. Now I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's a Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in Earthquake. I'm gonna take a small angle brush. This is by ColourPop E30, and I'm just gonna take some product here. And I'm gonna start doing a regular winged eyeliner because we all know I'm great at those. Just gonna place the eyeliner where I want it. Just make that line and take more of that color. And now bring it into the crease. Just like that. I'm gonna pull my eyelid a bit. I'll try to clean it up later, but that's what we're working with. I'm just gonna connect this eyeliner. I'm gonna bring it in just a bit, just so it doesn't look kind of naked and weird. Okay, just to make that a little bit more sharp, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner Plus Serum in deep brown and just go over those lines. Just go over the wing I just created. Alright. I'm just gonna bring it in just a bit. Keep it really close to my lash line because I don't want to make it super visible. Then extend the eyeliner up in the front. I really want to get that kind of cat eye look going on. Now I'm going to take this shade, which is Matte 11. And with another ink gold brush, I'm just gonna go over this outline we have. We want this to be very visible, very defined, so you can tell it's a graphic liner and not like a regular liner. Kind of difficult because I have more of a hooded eye, so I don't want to bring it in a lot. I'm gonna clean it up a bit, so I'm gonna take the concealer I used and clean it up, taking a very small brush. So I'm gonna take a mixture of matte 6 and matte 10. Take it both shades. More of matte 10, which is like a brick kind of color. I'm just trying to concentrate it here. More closer to the eyeliner we did. Now I'm gonna take matte 3 and just trying to bring a little bit more brightness in here. Also to clean up a bit the eyeshadow. I'm liking this eye more than this eye. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye, just so it's not like super dark. Then I'm just gonna go over again matte 11 over the brown eyeliner I applied. Here, just extending it. I'll kind of make it a little bit more smoky. This is hard. All the makeup artists I see doing this, they're like, oh, it's super easy, but it's hard. Especially getting perfect, but it looks fine. Okay, now I'm gonna do lashes off camera. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then apply the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. And I'm also applying some individual lashes in the corner of my eye. And I use the Ardell Lash Trio. So I'm gonna do that and be right back. Alright, so it's been an adventure with this look. I'm so stressed, my head hurts. Does it look nice? I don't know. I don't know. Until I'm editing this, I'm gonna be able to tell if it looks good. It looks good to me. Doesn't look as clean as I wanted it to look. It looks nice. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna line my lips using the NYX retractable lip liner in the shade Natural. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick in the shade 55 Driver. It's a new one. I've already tried this formula, but this is a new shade. I saw my cousin wearing a lipstick and I was like, what are you wearing? And it was this, so. It's like a super nudie peach. Just gonna let it dry a bit because I think it's gonna go a little bit darker. But I love this shade. It's beautiful, beautiful shade. Looks very pretty. Ooh, I feel like a 90s bitch. I'm gonna take the MAC cream color base just to add like a little bit of an inner corner highlight, just a little. And that is it. I feel like a real badass. I've seen Ash Cole, Patrick Ta do this kind of graphic eyeliners and I was inspired by that, but at the same time I suck at a simple winged eyeliner, so I was nervous. It's not the best, but it's good enough for me and I think it looks pretty cool, if I do say so myself. Looks pretty nice. But yeah, that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. That will help me out a lot. You could also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave somewhere here. And yeah, everything I mentioned in today's video, it's gonna be in the description box below. Hope you're having an amazing day, amazing night, or amazing morning. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!